guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little college dorm tour. Disclaimer, this isn't actually a dorm, it's more of a mini apartment type setup, but we just call it a smart suite. It's like the other dorms in college where they have like their rooms and their own bathroom and stuff. So yeah. As you walk in, you'll enter the lobby where security is supposed to sit and watch the cameras, but they barely be here. And when they are here, they don't really do their job. Here is the laundry room where I just wash my clothes. The dryers aren't the best, so it costs you about $4 just to dry your clothes. Well, good enough. So I just go to the laundromat and spend like $1.50. So yeah, now the elevator. I actually stay on the third floor, which is kind of inconvenient when it comes to grocery shopping and stuff and all the back and forth and whatnot. So here's my place. Well, my roommate isn't actually here right now, so I don't want to go in there showing off her room and invading her privacy without her being here. Over here is where we keep some of our cleaning supplies, like our broom and dustpan and whatnot. Here's our television where we watch TV, of course, and here's a package that's for another video or whatever. And over here, I just got some more cleaning supplies that I got from my coupon lady for $50. Yes, I got all that just for $50. So this place came with 2 couches, and here's the other. They both are extremely comfortable if I do this on myself. And here we have the kitchen. We have our refrigerator and our cereal, and we have a lot of cabinets and storage space for food, pots and pans. We have a dishwasher, and just like any other dorm, we don't have a stove or oven, so I went out and bought a hot plate and a toaster oven from Walmart. And I also went out and bought an air fryer, and it works really good. And here is my room. Over here is where I store my shoes. I hooked this little thing on the back of my door so save up space. And up here I have all my cleaning supplies, my laundry detergents, and all of that stuff. This is actually my closet where I have all my clothes and whatnot. It's actually great storage space, by the way. And over here I have my dirty clothes hamper and a mirror. I have my little class calendar, excuse Roderick. And here's my pictures of family and friends and my boyfriend. It took me a minute to get the string right. It was just so chaotic. But it came together at the end. I think it looks really good. Over here I have a few paintings that I did. And then I have my little music corner going on. I actually bought this to store my hair products and makeup and stuff. And then I have another storage bin over here where I have all my feminine products, razors, tampons, soap, deodorants and stuff. So yeah. And over here is my desk where I study and do homework. Yay. And here's my laptop. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And here's my lovely grandmother. Here is a curtain that actually blocks out the sun. I don't know the correct term for this curtain, but as you can see, when it's open, it's really bright. And I like to take naps, so it's really convenient when you want to sleep and you don't want it to be too bright. And over here is my favorite part of the room, my wall of lights that surrounds my bed. And here is me and my roommate's bathroom. I actually bought this storage to store my hair products and stuff because I am natural and I do have a lot of things. I purchased it from Walmart. We have a two-door mirror. One side is mine and one side is my roommate's. I also bought that as well to store some more stuff like soap and razors and stuff for me and my roommate. So yeah, and that's her entrance to the bathroom. So yeah, you guys, that's about it. We got one last look. I just want to thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch my video. And don't forget, I do still have that $25 giveaway for when I hit my 100th subscriber. So like, share, comment, and thanks for watching.